Hey there, John Cummins from Executive Medicine Weekly Health Challenge. What is it this week? Skip a meal. Why am I asking you to skip one meal this week? Essentially because the fasting is one of the most multiply demonstrated ways of improving longevity. And what appears to happen is when a human body gets stressed in a fasting state, it goes into DNA repair mechanism and starts cleaning up all those coils of DNA that have been damaged through oxidation, through living, and thus basically minimising, cardiovascular disease risk, cancer risk. In my first or second little blog, I promoted a book called Lifespan by David Sinclair, and I still would advocate that you read that. And certainly when you look at all types of cultures where fasting is part of their routine, and certainly in lab experiments, fasting and calorie restriction has been massively linked to longevity, probably the most potent thing that we can do. There are other things as well in terms of longevity, obviously. But I would encourage you to start and just see if you can skip one meal. What I often will do is skip breakfasts, but I challenge myself to skip dinner through the week. Culturally, that's harder. But I just want you to try and skip one meal. And the thing is, what I found myself doing is saying to myself, oh, I'm feeling hungry. I reframed that into a positive so I wasn't freaking out, because I think as humans we tend to really we start panicking as a biological species, saying, well, there's not enough food, I need to get my food stores in. So the challenge this week is fasting. Enjoy your day and talk soon.